Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete Viagogo account. The first thing you need to do is to open the Viagogo web app and log in using your registered account credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the home page. You'll be provided with a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, select My Hub, and that's going to walk you into the My Hub area. In the My Hub section, head over to the left-hand navigation menu. We have a couple of options from My Others, My Listings, My Sales, all the way down to View FAQs. Go ahead and click on Settings, and this will open your account settings page. On the settings page, we're going to have to look for an option that says Personal Details, which is pretty much found at the top of the window. Now you have payment and payout options, you have personal details, you have notifications, addresses, license, and security center. Select personal details, and that takes you to this window. From this window, scroll the way down, and you have this hyperlink swiftly. It says delete my account. So all you need to do is to click on delete my account. And now you have this warning, all right, where Viagogo will be asking you to confirm your decision to delete your account. So providing information about the consequences of your account deletion. You're going to read all of these things to be sure that you really want to do this. Read all the consequences, and if you're okay with that and you wish to continue with your deletion request, go ahead and tap delete my account button. Now, once you select delete my account button, you may be asked to verify your identity by entering your password again or confirming your decision through an email link, because they really want to know that you are the one doing all of those things or carrying out such actions. So just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. Once you follow the on-screen prompts or the instructions, follow them to complete the account deletion request. And after you've successfully completed the steps, you'll receive a confirmation that your Viagogo account deletion request has been processed. Viagogo may send you an email confirming that your account has been deleted. Now, I have a couple of things to let you know. Deleting your account is permanent, and once deleted, you will not be able to recover any data, purchase history, or listings associated with your account. Ensure that any pending transactions, such as active listings or orders, are completed or cancelled before requesting account deletion. And of course, if you cannot find the delete account option or need further assistance, contact Viagogo customer support for help in closing your account. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.